For American Edition on The Voice of Russia, I'm Andrew Hiller. The Red Planet, the Blood Planet, the planet of war is getting less mysterious today. From the exploration of the high-rise cameras that allowed a Sherlock Holmes look through the magnifying glass to today's landing of the Mars Rover Curiosity, our closest planet is coming ever closer. And according to NASA Mars Exploration Project Director Doug McCutcheon, the mission could expand knowledge immensely.
Giving us more information on how did Mars evolve? Why did Mars, which have very similar features at Earth, why is it different today? Why did life evolve here and did not evolve on Mars in the same way?
U.S. President Barack Obama lauded NASA's successful mission to put a robotic rover on Mars as an unprecedented feat of technology. In a statement issued shortly before the rover Curiosity landed, the president said, "Tonight on the planet Mars, the United States of America made history, and that even the longest odds are no match for American ingenuity and determination." Recent exploration has found signs of geologically recent lava flows, ice and water flow, and it makes one wonder what exactly the $2 billion vehicle is likely to find this time. However, despite the excitement of astronomers and physicists, NASA reminds us that the journey and the landing itself is worthy of celebration. Alan Chen got to announce the landing.
Touchdown confirmed. We're safe on Mars. Time to see where our Curiosity will take us.
There are reasons for the cheers. Because of the distance, Curiosity had to land itself. This jaw-dropping process involved a sky crane and the world's largest supersonic parachute, which allowed the spacecraft carrying Curiosity to target the landing area that the scientists had meticulously chosen. That landing was described as 7 minutes of terror, according to NASA's Charles Bolden.
It had to slow down from 13,000 miles an hour to zero. And I think you've heard this before. That's like driving 65 miles an hour on a freeway and coming to a complete stop in about 2.1 seconds.
But now that it has landed, Curiosity's first stop is Gale Crater, which some scientists believe may have once contained a lake. Like a geologist, Curiosity will examine sediment and layers, even pulverizing and chemically analyzing materials as it continues its exploration. In about a year, it will reach Mount Sharp in the center of the crater. But while patience and cautions are required, Curiosity has already tweeted its first message back to Earth. In addition to saying hello, it's already sending postcards. John Grunsfeld, Associate Administrator for NASA's Science Mission Directorate, says this is the most high-tech rover ever built, and that the information we will receive could change our understanding of Mars forever.
We're about to do something that I think is, just huge for humankind, to put this chemistry laboratory on the surface of Mars that can rove, that can see, and that's going to provide scientists on Earth a glimpse into the past history of Mars.
The initial images of the SUV-sized rover sent back to Earth were black and white and grainy, but one showed its wheel resting on the stony ground, and the vehicle's shadow appeared in another. Larger color images are expected later in the week. Still, while the rover may not answer all of our questions, it may temporarily sate some of our curiosity. For American Edition, on The Voice of Russia, I'm Andrew Hiller.